This video demonstrates how to adjust the date and time on your Renault Clio III's speedometer display. This model is a popular choice in the used car market. Clock inaccuracies can occur after battery replacement or CMOS battery failure. While Renault no longer provides official updates, this guide will show you how to manually adjust the clock using the car's built-in system. The clock adjustment is controlled through the instrument cluster's LCD display using dashboard or steering wheel stalk buttons. You'll primarily use the trip or menu button to navigate menus and plus and 9-ish buttons or arrow keys to adjust the values. Familiarize yourself with these controls before starting. Remember, the system is designed around mechanical buttons. First, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. This provides power to the display without draining the battery unnecessarily. Next, press the trip or menu button repeatedly until you see the clock or date icon, such as HHMM or a calendar symbol. Button locations can vary, so check your user manual. Once the clock date is displayed, use the plus and mash buttons to set hours, minutes, date, and year. Some models require holding a button to switch between fields. Confirm changes by pressing trip again or waiting for autosave. Early 2005 models have a simpler interface with basic menu navigation. 2009 to 2012 versions include daylight-saving auto adjustment for time changes. If your Clio III has a radio with integrated CD player, the clock syncs with the radio system. Follow instructions specific to your model year for best results. Clock drift is a common issue in Renault Clio III vehicles, often caused by temperature changes or battery voltage drops. If the display malfunctions, it could indicate an ECU issue, such as corrosion damage affecting the circuit board. Incorrect button sequencing during adjustments can trigger errors, potentially requiring a professional ECU reset. If issues persist after attempting adjustments, consult a qualified technician for proper diagnosis. Always make clock adjustments while parked to avoid distractions. If unsure about any step, seek professional assistance from a mechanic. Avoid attempting advanced reprogramming without the proper tools like Renault's clip diagnostic software, as this could cause further issues. Manual clock adjustments are becoming obsolete in newer cars with GPS and cellular syncing. Aftermarket options exist for the Clio III, such as infotainment upgrades that enable app-based controls. However, due to the model's age, consider if repairs are economical compared to upgrading to a newer vehicle.